Hello, anyone ordering banana bread this week? Got bananas going bad? Don't you dare throw those out. We are making a fast, easy, delicious banana bread. First thing we have to do is combine all of our dry ingredients. Now we're going to cream our brown sugar and butter. Time to mix. I don't know, something about the bananas makes it feel healthier. Let's not take attention to the fact that we added a stick and a half of butter. Yeah, it's fine. 3 bananas going right in. I forgot to add the cinnamon, so we're gonna add the cinnamon into the flour mixture. Now we're going to slowly incorporate our dry ingredients into the wet batter. Now last but certainly not least, some chocolate chips. I like dark chocolate because it offsets some of the sweetness, but you can use whichever type of chocolate you like. Now all we have to do is put this in the oven. How easy was that? Wait till you see the results. Now we're gonna spray the pan with some nonstick spray to make it easily come out once it's done. Last thing we're gonna do before we put it in the oven is we're gonna take a banana, peel it, and then we are going to cut it down the center. Check that out. Put them like yin and yang right on top of the banana bread. We're going in the middle rack for about 45 to 50 minutes. When your kitchen has an intoxicating smell of butter and sugar, it's probably a good time to check the oven. The way I like to see if my banana bread's done is I take a toothpick. This is a ginormous toothpick, and we're just going to stab it from the center and see if it comes out dry, not wet. Nice dark brown color. The bananas are starting to caramelize on top. This is beautiful. All right, let's check it out. That's a clean swipe. That means the banana bread is done. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes so that it doesn't scorch your mouth. I know it's hard, but please just restrain. I feel like I gained 5 pounds just smelling it already for the past hour that it's been cooking and out of the oven. Oh, a little crispy on the outside, still super moist in the middle. Got the gooing chocolate. You've got the fresh banana that's, a little soft, but also a little crispy on the inside. I need another bite. Really getting that nice crunch in the exterior of the actual banana bread. Moist, buttery, rich. Surprisingly, not too sweet, which I really like because I don't like a sweetness overload. I really have nothing else to say. This is the perfect banana bread. It took me 5 minutes to mix it together and put in the oven. What are you doing? Why aren't you already making banana bread right now? Ginger, what do you think? Give it a taste. Yummy, you like it? You like it?
She loves bananas.
Yeah, Gingy loves bananas. This is a great recipe. Give it a try. Send pictures when you do try it because I love to see when other people recreate my recipes. And I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.